guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie ang ating Holland review for today. So this is my new collection for today. Atin nang titignan kung gaano kaganda ang style niya. So let's begin. Wow! Look at this. This is my new collection for today. Look at that. Very beautiful. So sexy and elegant. Look at this. Oh, tingnan natin gaano ganda ang kanyang quality. Look at this. This is made in China. Size large po ito. Yan. At tingnan natin yung tahi niya. Wow, talagang may nakalagay made in China. Tingnan mo. Wow. Nice quality sewing. Nice. Ang ganda ng stretch niya, oh. Very firm po ang kanyang stretch. Oh, ganda, malambot. Hindi siya yung matigas na masakit sa balat. Nice! Perfect! Perfect po yung quality niya. And look at this. Wow! Nice quality. And the crotch, so perfect. Talagang eto na sa ating may mga almo. Pwedeng-pwede ito. Wala siyang small amount of cotton, pero yung crotch niya ay cotton siya, so maganda siya. Maganda, pero para siyang net, tingnan mo. Para siyang fish net o see-through, but here in the crotch, good. This is perfect. Secure na secure ang ating mga private part. At dito sa tahi, tingnan mo naman yung tahi. Nice talaga. Perfect. Nako. Very quality product. Look at this see-through lingerie panty. Nice quality. Kapag i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, nako. 10 ang ating ibibigay. At so good ang kanyang quality. At look at this lingerie. Nice. Very see-through siya. Ito ay para siyang fishnet, oh, tingnan mo. Ayan siya, oh. Ganyan siya. Nice. Pero dito, perfect na perfect kasi secure naman yung ating private part. At ito po ay nabili ko lang ng 80 pesos. So, sulit na doon sa sa kanyang halaga dahil ito ay very affordable, 80 pesos at perfect ang kanyang. The quality is good, the style, at very elegant po ang dating. So sexy. Kahit ikaw ay may almo dito, yakang-yaka, pwedeng-pwede sa iyo. So, yan ang ating Holland review for today sa ating sexy see-through fishnet lingerie bikini panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.